this is for junior that new come. Okay, first topic is our direction and storyline. Okay, wait bro. Okay, direction and storyline. What is direction and storyline? Later I will explain detail for you guys. Okay, this both can define at higher time frame, which is daily, weekly, and monthly. Okay, so for example, weekly resistance, weekly support, right? Weekly resistance must go into weekly support. The rule of SNR. Rule of SNR. Weekly support must going to weekly resistance. Okay. Every time this direction and storyline always repeat. Okay. Same goes to another time frame, which is daily or monthly. Monthly, daily. Monthly, daily. So every time frame is not different. It's all same. Okay. The rule of SNR same. The direction same. Okay. So if monthly must go into the monthly. If daily must go to daily. Okay. All right. So I draw for you guys for the theory. So if weekly is daily Roblox, right? If daily is H4. If monthly is weekly. Okay, for example, I draw for you guys. I use weekly resistance and weekly support. So I want you guys to imagine this one is daily. The middle one is daily. So if weekly direction from resistance one go to weekly support, but the storyline is not complete yet. Because of what? Because of daily Roblox stuck here. And then if daily Roblox stuck here, then daily must go to daily. So you imagine here is daily. So daily resistance, daily support. So after going daily to daily, and that daily resistance go to daily support. Daily support go to daily resistance. Daily resistance go to daily support. Okay. After they play this round, daily to daily, daily to daily, but you must remember the direction is from weekly. Then it must end of the storyline of weekly. Okay. Before they end weekly storyline, they want to end the daily to daily first, daily storyline. To end of the storyline from the daily level, then they will be proceed to the main direction, go to weekly support. Okay, do you guys understand for now?
Yeah, I understand. That's clear.
I can't hear you guys.
Clear.
Okay.
Okay. All
Right.
clear.
Okay. How you want to determine valid or not valid in that level? Okay. First, we always open the line chart. So your senior already know before last time, because last time I teach them first. Okay. So first, open line chart. wait for closing. At level that we mark at higher time frame. Example, weekly or daily or monthly. Okay. So this time frame is very important for you guys to see, not only daily, because some people only want looking for easy way. They always look for daily, always daily, but they didn't look at time frame, weekly and monthly. Okay, I don't know why. Okay, I teach weekly, daily, and monthly, but they always want to observe at, always want to find entry at daily, not find entry, find the level at daily. Okay, so wait for the closing is wait for the open new candle. Okay, so for example, weekly resistance, weekly support. Wait. Okay, so if weekly support go to weekly resistance, so what we want to, what should we do? Of course, we want to waiting for the closing, right? After the price already at level resistance. So that's mean we waiting for the closing. So for example, for the closing, we open the candle when the price already at our level that we mark. Closing, okay. After the closing, then it will turn into the new direction, go to support. This is first step, okay? First step that we must know, the important, okay? First step of our confirmations, okay? And when it came to the support, of course, we were waiting for closing also. Open new candle, weekly. If daily, we're waiting for open candle, daily time frame. If at monthly, we waiting for open candle at monthly. Okay. Do you understand? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Oh, sorry. Wait, bro. Wait, let me charge my tablets. All right. So, how we want to define our, where should we want to marking if we want to mark at higher time frame? We want to find the breakout. Breakout for sell, breakout for buyer. Okay. So I will write this weekly resistance again, support. So this one is support and here is resistor, right? Okay. Here is resistance, breakout resistance, here is support. So when the price came into our zone, we will monitor it, which level the price will go. Which level the price will go. You must remember it. Okay, we didn't predict it. It's not a gambling. We didn't predict it. We monitor it. Which the price will go, either the support breakout level or this resistance level. Okay, so for example, if I use this breakout level, if the price closing at this level, so that's mean this level is valid for turn into the new direction to the support. Okay, we not predict, we just follow the market. Okay, if market want to closing at this level, so this level we must monitor it. Do you guys understand? For this kind of directions, it's not simple.
Yes, sir.
If you guys not, monitor it, it will not be simple. If you guys not do some extra effort, it will be not that simple as you see, as you hear my explain right now. You must monitor, you must learn in this kind of directions. Okay, before we proceed to the another sessions soon for the entry part, because I want to step by step, I want you guys to know this kind of direction and storyline. Okay, so I want to give you guys for the full of direction. So I write weekly resistance, weekly support, daily. So daily, okay, support. Okay, so for example, weekly, we're going to the weekly to weekly, but stuck here because of daily roadblock. Okay, so if here got daily resistance, it will came in, the price will came into daily to daily, daily to daily, daily to daily, and then the end of direction will be the last at weekly. You must believe your direction. If it's from weekly, the story is from weekly, so the weekly must compete to weekly. Okay, even though the price stuck here because of daily, look like they want to turn, look like they want to fly, but you must believe the direction is from weekly resistance. The weekly is not yet finished the storyline, so your exit will be here. But if you entry here, if you want to exit at roadblock, also can. You got, I think you got like 300 pips, 500 pips, 400 pips, something like that. Okay, you get what I mean?
Yeah, I understand, bro.
So for example, this one is your first TP, and here is your last TP because you hold it. That's how we want to define our entry and exit. Okay, but you guys don't misunderstand what I'm trying to say, because topic right now is more to direction, not for the entry first. Hope you guys understand, because if I put the entry part, I think you guys will not focus on this kind of thing. You guys will be more focused on entry, because you guys love to entry. Okay, so I need you guys to understand this chapter first. Okay, if I go through entry part and the part of entry, I think you guys will not be able to understand this kind of situations. That's why I want to explain step by step first before we go to another topic. Okay, do you guys understand? don't ask me in the group about the entry part, because right now we learn about the direction first. You want to monitor the direction first. Okay. After you already know this topic, you will easy to understand the which level you want, which level is valid for entry, and which level you don't need to entry. That's why I teach this first. Okay. All right. Okay. We go to NT4. Okay. The previous part, I will explain the previous part. Okay. For example, HNS, right? Okay. Precise to daily. You want to define the first breakout, the nearest breakout. Okay. This is the breakout. You see? Did you see? Did you guys see? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Looking.
Okay. When I precise it, the precise is precise, but the direction, the level is still weekly. You must remember it. Okay, weekly level. Right. Okay. Right now we want to define the closing. So here, the closing level. Closing. After the closing, it will open the new candle. This candle. And then after the open new candle, it will turn into downtrend. From resistance, go to support. Okay. If you want to exit, for example, if
Sorry,
you
may I ask
get
a question?
wait for my explanation first before
Okay.
I want to ask you guys for questions. So, for example, you guys got entry here, and then your first TP is here. How many pips? $800 pips. Like let's say maybe 400, 500, 600. Okay, what's your questions?
Sorry, man. My question is like, if you go to the weekly, you mark out your first breakout, right? Or your first
Okay,
level.
yeah.
And then the closing. Do you stay on the weekly or do you wait for the daily?
Okay, first, okay. For example, this week is this week is Thursday. So of course we want to monitor the daily first before we want go to proceed to the weekly for the next week. You understand? Hello?
No, I don't.
Okay, like this, for example, today is Thursday. For example, today is Thursday. You listen carefully. You listen focus. Okay, today is Thursday. Of course, we want to monitor the daily first, the open new candle at daily first. Okay, before we waiting for another weekly candle close.
Okay.
Is it clear?
Yeah, I understand.
Okay, because we want to waiting for the weekly. It's still not done yet, right? Because it's still Thursday.
Yes.
So we monitor from the daily first. For example, like this. So you must remember this. I already told you guys. You must remember this one is from a weekly, from weekly level, from, and then from weekly level. I mean the original price is from weekly, not from daily. When it came to daily, we precise it from weekly. Precise. Okay, precise to find the breakout. You understand?
Yes.
It's clear? Okay. So, okay. Let's start. After the closing, of course, we want to, for example, the next week is not yet. So, of course, you want to find the first exit daily to daily, right? Before the weekly is closing. True? So, first TP is here. Okay, first TP is here. But when it's break like this, you want to TP or not? You want to take profit or not? No, right? Of course, you don't want to take profit because it break already. It's not valid for this one. Okay. Okay. After this daily is break, did you see when it's break? Until here, the weekly is closing, right?
Yes.
True. After the weekly is closing, then we can hold to weekly. Then we can hold to weekly. Okay. Weekly to weekly. Do you guys clear? After the weekly closing, for example, you guys already entry here, entry here, entry here. And then you guys want to monitor the first TP. Okay, I cut it for first layer. Second layer, I will hold it. When you hold it, when you already know the weekly already closing, then you proceed hold until the end of the story. Did you guys see this one is closing, right?
Yes, sir.
After the closing, first closing, second candle, pump, going to up. So that's mean the direction is turned to from support to resistance. Okay. Okay. This one I will explain you next session because for you or for you guys for the new batch it's very complicated if I explain this. Okay. All right. So I want to take a chance to explain this area. Okay, for example, okay, I process to daily, right? Okay, I process to daily. Okay, so I want you guys to answer my questions. Where's the breakout? Where's the breakout in this area? I want to precise it. Give me the question. Give me the answer.
Can we annotate?
Huh? I think
Can
you can. I think you can. Sure.
It doesn't allow us to annotate. But I would say
Already?
just below that line.
Okay, I give you guys a screenshot and you guys just said it. 1, 2, 1 or 2?
2.
2.
Who say 1? Who say 2?
2.
Okay, of course 2. Because we want to define the nearest, right? The nearest zone. This one is the nearest zone. See? After the closing, the next candle will be turned into downtrend. Okay? And then after the weekly closing, it will go to another weekly. See? Weekly to weekly. Sorry. For example, you want to TP at daily. For example, you want to TP at daily. Okay, where is your first TP at daily? I want the answer. Okay, I will do my screenshots first. Okay. 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. Which one is your TP? For example, you enter here. Okay.
Which one is the first TP?
Which one you guys choose? Which level you want guys TP?
I choose 4.
You choose all?
4 for me.
2 for
4.
me will be safe.
Oh, 2. Okay. Okay. Another one? Who? Okay. Just say
4.
4. Okay. If me, my answer is I will monitor this first. And I will monitor this first. If this one is breakout, so I will hold 2, second TP. If the second one is break, I will hold 2. The third one. Okay. For example, I hope you guys see this one. Sorry. Okay. If this support break, you guys will hold to third TP. Of course, you guys hold, right? Because this support is already break. Of course, we're waiting for the pullback. Of course, we will re-entry this level. Closing. Do you guys see the closing at daily level? Closing.
Yes.
Sorry, I will draw like this. Where, bro? Okay. Close. Open. New. Candle. Okay. So you will re-entry here because this level already break out. You will re-entry. I don't ask you to entry. This is a part of direction, not the. I remind again. This is not part of entry. I just give an example. When you entry here, okay, you will be re-entry here because this nearest is already breakout. Okay, then it's turn to after the closing. It's turn to continue downtrend. Of course, your last TP will be here. I know it. Okay. You must take profit first, right? Okay. For example, you get 4 layer. You want close 2 layer, or maybe you will close 3 layer. Just put a 1 only, and you keep hold into weekly to weekly to be safe, right? Like you said. Okay. Just take a profit, bro. It's money. Okay. Okay. For example, you already entry here. Where's the first? You can re-entry here, and you can re-entry here. Okay. And then people always re-entry at want to re-entry at H1 zone, H4 zone. But for me, if you want to be a swing trader, you can put your entry here, here, and here. Okay. because it make us the less stress, you know. Okay, it's not make us the make us confused. Okay, where we want to re-entry. For example, I will waiting for here for breakout. I will waiting here breakout, this level breakout, and then I will re-entry when it came to pullback. So this one also, I will waiting for the breakout and I will be waiting for the pullback. And then I will re-entry here until finish off storylines. Okay. You get what I mean? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Is it
Can I
clear?
ask a question, sir?
Okay. Questions?
Can I ask
Yes, yes,
a
yes. You
question, sir?
can.
Uh,
Yes.
how do we determine if it's the end of the weekly story?
Okay. So there is more confirmation, you know, but I want to make sure you guys know the direction first. Know the closing part. Okay. Know which the area is breakout, because there is a lot. This one is our first step. Okay. Because we got another topic which is SNR breakout. You know, because if you want to see a not valid, this one is not closing rate, right? No closing, right? We want the closing one like this. If the price is not closing at our level, that's mean we wait first. After the closing, we will define our entry. You get what I mean? Hello?
Yes.
So for example, like this, the price not reach the level yet, and then the next candle breaking out. You still wait for the entry for buyer? And this one also not valid. Break.
Hello, sir.
Okay. Hello,
Can
hello, hello,
I?
hello.
Like,
You can press the record. I already allowed you to record. You already press the record?
I'm recording it, sir.
Okay. Okay, so guys, where do we start this now? Okay, here's the weekly and to the weekly. So where's the we start just now? Okay. For example, if I see this one is breakout, I will hold it. If the nearest support daily breakout, I will hold it because it will pull back and continuations to weekly support. You get what I mean? Until the end of weekly, then here's is our end of storyline. Here. Okay. Okay. You see, after I process the weekly, then I find the breakout from daily, right? Okay. After we already know the closing here, then our TP will be, first TP is here. And then closing this level, daily to daily. Here's the weekly level, but you must remember, here's the daily storyline after the closing. The end of the daily closing is to daily support. Sorry. Okay. Daily. Wait. Okay. Daily support. Then closing again, continue to weekly zone. As you can see. Just now I draw for you guys. So the reality of market is like this. You must monitor it when you want to make it more understand, and you must make more extra effort to understand all about this. Is it clear for you guys? Is it clear for you guys? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
It's clear.
Yes, sir. It's clear.
I'm just confused about the ending and how do we know if it's the storyline. For example, you mark the weekly resistance
Okay.
when when it goes there again. How do we know that it will hold or not?
It will or not? What do you mean?
I mean, do you have the shaded area, right? This one on the weekly, on the up weekly resistance.
Okay. Okay. For you, what do you mean is valid or not valid, right?
Can you give me the? Can I annotate, sir?
What?
Weekly resistance.
Okay. All right.
The first one, the upper, the shaded area.
Okay.
Then yeah. When it goes there again, there's a big candle, right? How do we know
Yes.
if that area, that shaded area, will hold or not?
Just now I already explained. We're waiting for the closing.
Okay.
We're waiting for the closing. We cannot predict the valid or
Yes,
not
I
here
know.
because we want to follow the market. Is it here the closing or here closing or here the closing? That's why we must waiting for the closing candle. Okay, it's not directly it will go this level or this level. It will slowly and go to this level because of what? Daily level.
Yeah, but look at the daily on the first approach on the weekly. There's a rejection, the pin bar
Huh?
candle. Can I annotate, sir?
Yes, you can annotate.
Can you give me the annotate, please?
Okay. I think I cannot give you annotate because I want to focus
You-
on this screen only.
Oh, okay. Okay, sorry.
So which one? 1 or 2 or 3?
Yeah, the one candle.
Okay.
This one is when it approached there, but we still don't know the weekly ending,
Which
right?
clause? Which clause, bro? What do you mean close? Which one? There is no yet closing.
No, on the daily, di ba? From weekly, we're monitoring the daily, right? When it goes
Yeah.
there,
Okay.
yeah, when it goes to that level on the weekly resistance on the daily,
Or what do you mean is
do
maybe it will,
we
you want to
should we
you
wait
want to
for
say
the
that
weekly
what?
end? For example, you mark the area, the weekly resistance, sir, di ba, right?
Okay.
Okay, that's the weekly resistance.
Okay.
Yeah, yes, that's right. That's upper one.
Yeah, I know,
Yeah,
I
the
know.
first one.
Okay. Okay.
So we look at the daily.
Okay.
Yeah, that candle on the arrow, on when it
This one.
on the approach. Yeah, that one. What will we do when we see that? But it's not yet weekly end, right? For example, it arrives at Wednesday or Thursday. What will we do?
What do we what should you do? If me, I will marking first. Marking here.
Yes,
Support
that's a
level.
weekly resistance. That's a weekly resistance.
Yes, I know. There's a weekly resistance.
Yes.
Then we precise to the daily. I know what you
Yes, the
mean.
daily and the daily candle shows that.
Yeah.
We don't know that it will break out.
How we know that they will break out?
No, we still don't know that it will break out.
We still don't know
Do
that we.
we do we do we trade that as a weekly resistance sell?
Oh, I think I know what you mean. Okay.
Yes, yes.
So this one, this level, we were waiting for this level first. After the
Yes.
closing, after the close, we want to monitor the closing first. The first important is we want the closing first. We were waiting for the price here. Because the price is not reached it here. How should we know? Because after the price came into our zone, we need to monitor the closing part. Break or not break. Closing in the zone or break this zone and go to next level. Do you get what I mean?
Yes, sir. So, for example, it did not cause a breakout.
Huh?
The weekly candle stays around that area.
Uh-huh.
For example, it did not break out.
Why you want to focus this part?
Yeah,
Because
yeah, yeah.
I want you guys to monitor this area.
Yes, I know. We're monitoring. But it's not
Yes.
yet weekly end. But the candle went to the resistance on the daily.
Huh? Okay.
So what will we do?
What?
We don't know the breakout yet. The
You don't know the breakout
candle
yet? I don't
because it's not yet
understand your
weekly.
question actually. You want to, what do you mean actually? Can you guys explain what his question actually?
My question is, we marked the weekly resistance, right?
Okay, we mark the weekly resistance, okay?
Okay. And then we look at the daily, right?
Okay.
Then
We look at the
when
daily, okay?
okay, on the daily, when it approached first the weekly resistance,
Okay.
as shown in the candle, this candle, not the breakout candle. Should we wait
Okay.
until?
Do you mean it's about the precise?
No. I'm this one, yeah. Not those candle, those three candles, not the breakout candle. Do we wait
Okay.
for it
This one?
to for the weekly? Yes, one. Yes, sir. Diba it's on the weekly resistance level, but it's on the daily.
Because this one is because this one our precise is from the weekly.
Yes, I know. Yes, yes.
Can I maybe I think I know what the question is.
Okay.
So
Okay. Can you help
if you
me?
if you go back to the weekly, can you just go
Okay,
to the
okay.
weekly?
Okay, sure. Okay.
Now just mark the resistance there. Yeah. Just draw a line there.
Okay. Okay.
Now go to the daily.
Yes.
Go to
Okay,
the
go
daily.
to the daily. Okay.
Now you see before that long candle was printed. No, to the
Yeah,
right.
very good. Yeah,
To
yeah,
the
yeah,
right, to
yeah.
the
This
right.
one
You
this
see,
one is
yeah,
break, right?
before that candle, say that candle wasn't
Okay.
printed. And we only had those two candles. He wants to know what do you do
Yes.
in that situation.
Yes, definitely.
What just now? Okay. Can you repeat again?
You see where the arrow is now.
This one?
Now no. Go back to the big one, the big white candle. Yeah.
Okay.
So
Okay.
if that candle wasn't printed, if you go to
this
the daily,
candle was not
no, on the
breakout.
daily, go to the daily.
Okay.
Now you see if that candle wasn't printed, you see that long white candle?
This one?
No. The long
This
one, the
one?
tall one, the breakout candle. Yeah.
Okay.
If that
Yeah.
candle wasn't there, if it wasn't there, if that wasn't there, and you
Mm-hmm.
only had those doji, would you look for a sell? That's what you want to know.
Wait,
Precisely, yes.
do you mean where's the the level we want to mark?
You see the level that we currently have marked, right?
Yes, it's break. Okay, I know.
Yeah, but before the break, if that candle,
This one?
if it, yeah, if you close that and just focus on the doji,
Okay. Oh, okay. Okay.
you see, will you look for a sell there
Yes,
because of the daily rejection?
I will look for the sell it. Because if you guys see right now, closing, next candle, daily to daily. Boom.
I think that was his question, if I'm correct.
Yes. What will we do if it's not
Let
yet
okay.
weekly
I don't
closing?
want to. I want to hear that. I want to explain this one. Did you see this one is session S? Okay, when the price came into our zone that we marked after closing, this one is our entry, and this one is daily level, daily to daily level. But the main direction is from the weekly, right? So we focus on the daily first, daily to daily, then continue uptrend. Is this what your questions for this
Makes sense,
Yes,
kind
yeah.
sir.
of
Makes
Yes,
sense.
sir.
okay?
Thank you.
The thing is, this one I didn't explain fully yet. What happened here actually, the second step or third step? Because I want you guys to focus on bro.
Direction.
Direction first, bro. This one more important. This candle, in this candle, H1, H4, I'll not explain yet about this one. Okay? Because if you guys, if I explain, go to another topic, you guys will be more focused on entry, not more focused on directions, not more focused on closing, not more focused on why this one is breakout. Maybe it's not closing yet. Maybe it's break. Maybe it's going to another level. You guys will be not not will study this type of topic. You guys will go through the entry part, and then you guys will lost the directions. You get what I mean?
Yes, sir. No problem.
Yes, yes. Thank you.
Yeah, that's why I want to step by step. Okay, I want to step by step because you guys will be more confused. Okay, right. So that's why I ask you guys will be monitor here and then process to daily. After you process to daily, I go to line chart. So mark here, mark here, here. What actually will happen in this level? You must be a curiosity type of curiosity. Curious. You must be curious. What will happen? Then you monitor it. Okay. What will happen in this level? When price came into this support level, or this breakout level. Sorry, I did mention this just now. Okay. You can understand. Because I want you guys to know and more understand and more extra effort for give you guys to understand this kind of directions, storylines, and what happened in that level. The answer is in this level. You guys clear?
Yes, sir.
So this is a task for you guys. Task. Your homework. Monitor this area. I didn't ask you monitor this area. I ask you monitor this area because the goal will go to this area. Okay?
Okay.
Are you guys okay with it?
Yes, sir.
Just do what I said. Okay? Just do what I said. If I ask you to monitor here, just monitor here. Don't you guys want to study what happened here? Because this level that I marked, I want you guys to know what actually happened in this level. What actually happened this level. Okay?
Sir, question.
And give me what, Nathan?
What happened if the gold makes a new high and there's no
Okay, new
reference?
high. Okay, no reference.
Yes.
Okay, right now. Okay, I didn't. Your batch, I didn't explain about I didn't yet. Not. I don't explain. I didn't yet explain what actually happened this area. Because on monthly, okay, let me explain short for you guys this one. Trend line level. Don't do this in my task. I just short explain only because this one is last sessions. What happened after the closing? And then here's a breakout. After the breakout, after the monthly breakout, you will know we were waiting in this level. You see that I mark the level in monthly candle. So when it's pulled back in this level breakout, it will go to higher zone. Okay, so just waiting for the new price will come. You know, just now Nathan said doesn't have any refer, right?
Yes.
Hello. So what I want to say is that one I will explain it soon. Okay. And then you guys just focus what I want you guys to do right now. You get what I mean?
Okay.
Okay. Because the goal is not yet break out the resisted monthly. All right. So this is your task. One, two, three, four. Monitor your task. Okay. Just explain me this label what happened, this label what happened. Just explain to me. Because I need you to what did you see? Okay. I didn't say you are wrong. I didn't say you are right. I want to hear your explanation in this level. At least this level you explain to me. Okay. You can understand? And then if you guys
Yes,
give
sir.
me the answer, if you guys give me an answer, I will give my answer. That's my rule. That's my style. Okay. All right. So just waiting the level that I mark here. Monitor it. What happened? Actually, what happened? You can also try to when came to this zone. Try to look for the H1 or H4. Find the breakout. Buyer. Okay. Monitor. Okay. If the price go to this level, explain to me. Okay. Don't explain to me when the price not reach this level yet. Just explain to me when the price is reached this level. Because I want the answer from you guys. if I get your answer from you guys, I will explain to mine. I will explain to you. I will explain what I see. Okay? Do you understand?
Yes, sir. Which time frame is this? The daily?
Hmm?
Is this the daily
Yeah,
time
yeah.
frame or?
Yeah,
Okay.
daily. Yeah, daily, bro.
We can't
this
see a
one.
time frame because the icon is there.
What? Oh, sorry. Okay.
Yeah.
Daily, daily level, bro. Okay. So the class will be updated soon. Okay. Wait for my update. Don't spam in the group when is the class, because I want to see the homework first. How far you understand this? Okay. That's what I want to see actually. How far?
Okay, so what we need to explain is what already happened on that level when it broke out. Okay.
Yes. That's what I want. When the level is reached here, what will happen here? That's what I want.
Okay, when it comes
Okay.
down or when it broke it?
When it comes down,
Okay, so we must first wait then. Sure.
yes, you must waiting. Okay, just be patient, bro. It's learn, bro. Take time, bro. Okay, and then I don't want people to pause about the entry for me because I don't want to see the entry first. I want to see your understanding what you do. If you understand what you do, there should be no problem. If there is a right, if there is not right for me, so I will explain to you what's going on. Okay, what's the problem? Okay, you get clear? Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, don't worry, I will explain to you guys if it's wrong. Okay, I just want to hear from your voice about your explanations. Okay, that's how you in trading. If you understand what you see, you will be no more. You will be understand more. Okay. All right. Okay. The class will end right now. So the class update, I will update. Okay.
Cool, man.
And
Thank you.
I want the task first before update the class. Okay.
No problem. Thank you, man.
Thank you, sir.
All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Later Nathan will be maybe
Thank
tomorrow.
you.
I will move you guys to another group, to Nathan group, your senior.
Okay, sir.
All right. Okay.
Thanks, man.
Thank you for everything. So tomorrow morning I will send the record. I will get it from Nathan.
Thank you, sir.
All right. Thank you.
When do you want the homework?
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
What?
So we'll only send the homework when price comes to that level.
Yes, bro.
Okay.
Yes, bro. Okay. Thank you for everything.